everyone. This video is for This Old Farm Shop. I'm the This Old Farm Shop daughter. We have these chicken treats here that were sent to us by this brand, GrubTerra. Nice lady. So first of all, black soldier fly larvae, however you want to say it. All chickens love this, so I'm sure they will absolutely love it. But some things it says, it's great for chickens, reptiles, fish, birds, and things that it's good for. It produces stronger eggshells.
Well, one of the things they say is your eggshells will be thicker a week or two after using their black larva flies. So here we have an egg from before, an eggshell from before, and this is from a week after using. So what we're going to do is just use the micrometer and measure 3 points on each, and then we'll average them out and see if the claims are true. In the middle of this video there will be a coupon code. Make sure to watch through the video so you can find the code, and you can go to GrubTerra's website and enjoy a nice little discount.
Keeps feathers healthy, farm raised, and 75% more calcium than mealworms. We're going to crack this bad boy open and see what they think of it. You can see as soon as they figure out what it is, they're all over it. Seems like this chicken lot is really enjoying these black soldier fly larva treats. So come with us to collect the eggs.
Try for that spider.
Where? Here's our broody bunch. They're pretty friendly. They're not mean or anything. Got a cracked egg.
This one's mean though.
As you can see, having chickens is not a very clean job, but they do produce a lot of really good stuff. Eggs and meat. They're still in here munching on those treats.
The eggs from the chickens after being fed GrubTerra are 24/10,000ths of an inch thicker. Now to give you an idea how much a thousandth of an inch is, this is one of my daughter's hairs. And we're going to measure how thick it is. So there you go guys, the eggshells increased in thickness by the thickness of a human hair. And egg number 2, after 1 week of GrubTerra, is 15% thicker than egg number 1. Alright, for those of you looking for scientific proof that the GrubTerra product does work, there it is.
Now we're going to go down to our second biggest lot, the 15 chickens. So let's go. We have Easter eggers, barn rocks, and black sex links.
And midnight majesties.
Oh,
and a lavender buff.
Midnight majesties.
And a lavender buff Orpington hen.
Let me talk. And a lavender buff Orpington hen and rooster. So this is all Rhode Island Reds except for the rooster. He's a lavender buff Orpington. So let's see if they like the treats. It's kind of creepy.
I think one's moving.
No, it wasn't.
Maybe look. Oh yeah. I think we should go feed Mr. Grumpy Pants some mealworms, see what he thinks.
I think that's a great idea. Well, it seems like our Rhode Island Reds really enjoy these treats. They're chomping them right up. So now we have over here a little black silky rooster, and we call him Mr. Grumpy Pants because he's all by himself, and you know how roosters get when they're alone. They're a little grumpy. So we're gonna give him some and see if this will brighten his day and make him not so grumpy. So it's very possible that he may just ignore that they're even there because he's pretty grumpy. But we'll see.
Probably not. Usually when he scraps other chickens, they usually go for it. Maybe we'll give him a piece of bread. He just doesn't eat it at all.
Looks like he's giving him a good hard look. He's thinking about it. So grumpy.
Oh, almost.
I think he's getting a little excited.
I know. Oh, he wants
He's getting a little excited, yeah. I think he's gonna eat some. He is a strange little chicken. Eat one, Grumpy. Oh, he pecked at it.
Well, it's the first time I ever seen him to eat something else. You got it, honey. Just don't fall.
That would really
Might just end up in some chicken poop. Just about. This hen is a little bit grumpy. She likes to peck at you when you go for her eggs. Yeah, there she goes. See? Look at her. Yeah, she's a little more stubborn than the other ones.
Success.
Yay. She didn't peck you this time.
No, I just kind of scooched her out of the
She
way.
usually pecks me.
Now for the trek out of here.
You too? Oh.
It's okay, it's okay.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No. You don't understand what that is. That's a Japanese hornet.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
I'm walking away.
No.
Whenever the chicken lot gets super muddy, this right here, pelletized horse bedding. We will just spread this all over the lot floor whenever it gets super muddy and gross. And what it does is it kind of puffs up and spreads out and dries everything out, sucks up all the moisture out of the dirt. So makes for a lot easier walk and not as dirty of an egg. So we're having someone look after our chickens this coming week because we're going out of town. So we want to make sure the lot is safe for her to walk in and she won't fall and land in chicken crap. Because like our sign says. So just lovely, inappropriate sign that Riley bought. It is true though. So now this bedding will kind of fluff up and spread out, suck all the moisture out of the ground, and make for a good little walking path.
This stuff is great when it rains.
Yeah.
It's like this. It's just it's compressed sawdust. That's all this is. And the little bitty pellets.
And it's like $5 from Tractor Supply for that bag. Pretty sweet deal. There's Jinx watching over the farm. We want to thank GrubTerra for reaching out so we could test out their product. It seems like all of our chickens really enjoy it, and I know it's going to be really good for them. We're definitely going to keep feeding it to them. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.